Today I'm going to have a bit of a chat to you about hiking clothes, what you should take on mainly multi-day hikes, but it's obviously applicable to day hikes as well. The first thing I take is the hiking pants. I've got one long pair, and these are crag hopper pants. They're really good, they got plenty of zips, they're very lightweight. And I also take a pair of lightweight shorts as well. So that's the two of those that I take. Now the first layer is the t-shirt. So I always wear t-shirts, I don't wear shirts. So this is an icebreaker t-shirt, and this is about 80% merino wool and 20% thin synthetic material, which gives it the elasticity and it dries a lot quicker. And I've got another t-shirt here. This is a smart wool t-shirt. This is merino wool as well, and this dries very quickly. So it's two pairs of pants, two t-shirts, that's the first layer. And the next layer I've got is long sleeve merino shirts, and they're again 80% merino and 20% synthetic. I've got two of those. I've got two lots of socks, which I've showed you before, the toe socks, the Ninjini toe socks, and another pair of socks over those. Two lots of those. And I've got my buff, which can be used obviously in the sun or the cold, protect your ears, nose, mouth, etc. A pair of gloves when it starts to get pretty cold. My beanie for cold weather. Also, it's great to wear in your sleeping bag to keep your head warm as well. And the hat I've got on here is a really great sun hat. It's got breathable vents in the top, and it's also got this cord underneath that you can sink up round your chin if it's windy. So you need to get yourself a hat, a reasonably wide brimmed hat for the sun. And I've got my down layer that folds up neatly in its own pocket. That's my outdoor research transcendent down jacket, and this is my Marmot wet weather gear, the pants and the jacket. Okay, obviously ignoring what I've got on now today, this is my total kit, because half of this I'm going to be wearing when I take off on my hike. Basically all I'm doing is swapping in and out. The same with underwear. There's one change, and as on another video I've showed you what I do. I have a line hanging on the back of my pack, and I can rinse it out in the ocean, in a stream, in a river, or in tank water. I try and rinse that out and dry it out and just keep alternately swapping them. It's impossible to take a change of clothes for every day, and you wouldn't want to. It's about weight, of course. So obviously if it's a day hike, you could wear jeans and a cotton t-shirt. It doesn't matter so much on a day hike. But obviously on multi-day hikes, when it's about weight, it's also about comfort, and it's also about how quickly things dry. So you don't want to be hiking in cotton. You obviously don't want to be hiking in denim, because if you got two pairs of jeans and you take one off, the bulk and the weight in your pack, it's just no good. So all this stuff is lightweight, and it dries really quickly. Okay, that's just a brief look at some of my hiking clothes. There's obviously lots of different designs. You can wear hiking shirts. There's a flotilla of different clothing you can wear, but that's the basic concept I've showed you, to keep the clothes lightweight. Definitely don't want to be hiking in cotton or denim, particularly on multi-day hikes. But as I say, on a day hike where you're not carrying on the next day, you can get away with it. But I say, yeah, that's the type of clothing you need to wear. Okay, Hike and Seeker signing out. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, and I hope to see you on another video soon. Goodbye.